Welcome to another Broken Rider video. In today's video, we're just going to discuss how I get on and off the bike using these foot controls. Unfortunately, I don't have the right equipment set up for the camera to demonstrate it, but I will resolve that soon. But I figured I'd kind of create some content, get some practice, and just show you what helps me. So in this case, I'm riding a trike, and I guess this can be done on a regular bike if you had a center stand, not so much probably with the kickstand. But in this case, so what I do is I will leverage the back passenger step to get my right foot on, essentially, and then I will make sure I get on my heel, and then I'll pull my left prosthetic leg over, and then once I'm settled on the other side, then I can step into my foot controls. Now, that may not be the most efficient or best way to do it, but is something that works for me. It's helped, and what I like the fact is that I know a lot of people consider the mid-step, the Trike Mid-Step, which also looks like a pretty good solution, but I just didn't like the look of that. I think it would take away from the mufflers and the Reinhardt's thing and stuff like that. And I didn't buy this bike just to ride. I wanted to look good because I appreciate the bike, right? So I just figured out an alternate solution to help me. And one of my other videos shows the emergency brake extension. That's kind of where I found all that was on that particular site. I'll add the link below so you can check it out. But again, this has just kind of helped me be able to get on the bike a little easier. It doesn't look pretty, but you know what? Fuck pretty. This works, right? This functional. It gets you back riding. That's what these videos are about, to get you back riding. So thank you again. I hope this helped, and have a great day. Look forward to the next video. Take care.